welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are doing a bonus video. With Valentine's Day coming up, I love to bake all the sweet treats, but I am trying to cut back on some of my sugar intake and make things a little bit more healthier. So I have adapted a recipe and I will type it out in the description down below. And it is my spin on a raspberry chocolate tart. I'm going to make it with my son Wilder. If you are new here, I do love to include him in just about everything that I do. He is going to be 2.5 and my daughter is 7 months old, so you might see them from time to time on my channel. And I'm also noticing that I do have a lot of new people, so welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I'd like to sit down and do a Q&A, and I'm going to do it rapid fire style. So people are going to ask a question and it's just going to be a one-word answer. I think that's the best way to get to know somebody without thinking, just answering the question. So if you have questions, drop them down in the comment box below and I will answer them in a video coming this week. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I will leave my handle right here. And I'm also going to drop a few questions about me on that page as well, so you could have the opportunity to do that too. If you are excited for this recipe, stay tuned to the end. If you are new here, I would love it if you became part of our YouTube family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let's get into this recipe. Say hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. We are going to make a Valentine's Day dark chocolate tart. So let's go over some of the ingredients. We'll touch that in 1 second. We're going to need a 1/3 cup of coconut milk. I just get mine right out of the can here. I do full fat, and you can use this for other recipes, which you will see. I have about 1 3/4 cups of oats that I pulsed in my food processor. Oh, no thanks. And then I have 2/3 cup of cocoa powder that I'm going to use with the base of it, and then 2/3 cup cocoa powder that I will use as like a mousse, and I will show you that in a second. We're going to need about 7 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're going to need 2/3 cups of maple syrup. We're gonna need some vanilla extract and some pink salt. All right, so first things first, get your pie dish ready, unless you have a tart dish or something different, but you'll need something round like this. Of course, anything works, so a square would work, triangle, star, whatever you have at home. And we are going to start by mixing the base. So right here we have 1 3/4 cups of oats that I have pulsed, and now I'm going to take half of my dark cocoa here and I'm going to put that into our mixture. We'll put that to the side, okay? This. And then we are going to take some coconut oil and put that right into the batter. We are going to do about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. 2. Will you hold it? Here you go. Can you put that in there? Can you do it? Good job. Can you put it in there? Good job. Just like this. Yeah. Cool beans. All right, and then we are going to put half of our maple syrup into there, and then we'll save the other half for the mousse. And we are going to mix this together. We're going to mix this together. What's that? Maple syrup. We also forgot to mention that this is actually a no-bake dessert, so you just need access to a refrigerator. And once it gets crumbly like this, we are going to press it into our pie dish. right, so it looks just like this, and we are gonna put this into the refrigerator and then make our mousse. So we are just gonna actually just use the same bowl so we don't have to get extra messy. We are going to add the remainder of our cocoa powder, so 2/3 of a cup.
Watch?
You're going to watch? Sure thing. We're going to add the rest of our maple syrup, so 1/3 of a cup. Whoa.
Watch?
We're gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla.
Please you watch.
Yep, you can watch. And a pinch of salt.
Please you watch.
And we are going to add our 1/3 cup of coconut milk. And then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Hey, what color is this spoon?
Blue.
That's right, good job. Here's this, and Mommy will use this one, and we'll stir, stir, stir. Just stir it together until it becomes a mousse. Of course, beating this would be beneficial, but I don't really like to get that out while he's around. I just want to show him how to mix things with his hands. So we will just make a mess right here with this, right? Okay, we'll show you what it looks like in 1 second. And I actually just thought of a really great ingredient, and that would be some of those raspberries. So we're gonna put some raspberries in ours, but you're welcome to leave it as is. Also in this mousse or in the crust, you could put some hemp seeds or chia. I'm gonna leave them out. A lot of people ask if I do any recipes without them. Yes, I do, but they are really great for your health, so just check them out.
I like it.
With the lemon, you like it? Oh, great. So I'm gonna take my raspberries here. They are frozen, but that's all right. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit on the top here. Do you wanna try one? And don't worry about this. It is just our family eating it, so it's okay if we lick our fingers or try a raspberry and lick it and put it back. It's just fine.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Like it?
Yeah, I don't know if you like it. Raspberry. You don't like it? Okay. So now you just take your mousse here and you're going to put it on top. And I'm also going to put some raspberries on top just to make a fun little heart for Valentine's Day, but you do whatever you would like.
Mama.
Hello. So just be very careful here because the raspberries will lift up. You just want to get your mousse
Mama.
in here. Your spoon's right there, honey. Then I'm just going to use these raspberries to make a fun little decorative thing. Just a cute little heart. And I'm going to let it go in the refrigerator overnight. It'll probably be fine in a few hours. All right, and there's our tart. Can you say tart? Tart. Can you say berry? Can you say Happy Valentine's Day? Good job. And here's our Valentine's Day tart. So excited. This is going to be delicious. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's recipe. I really hope you enjoyed this healthy spin on a Valentine's Day classic. Make sure to drop any questions for me down below and I will answer them in next week's Q&A. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you next time. Bye.